Is the Canon R100 a budget beast? Here's my take. A little mirrorless camera that's not trying to be fancy, but in 2025, this thing's gaining a lot of buzz, like my first real camera level buzz. Today, I'll break down what this camera is, what it isn't, and whether it's worth your time or just another entry-level shelf filler. And hey, before you miss your next perfect shot because of blur, download our free Sharp Every Time field manual. It's fast, it's practical, and it'll fix your focus and motion blur mistakes for good. Links in the description. Let's talk the R100. What is the R100 really? So Canon made the R100 for one job: a starter mirrorless camera that won't break the bank. Here's the short version of features. 24.1 megapixels with an APS-C sensor. Canon RF mount. This is the same as the big boys. Canon RF lenses can go on this. 4K video cropped, but it's still 4K. You know, it's still there. It's cropped, but it's there. Dual pixel autofocus, but only in 1080p. That's a kicker. Only in 1080p. It's small, it's lightweight, it's no frills, and costs around $500 with a kit lens. Basically, it's a gateway camera. And it could lead to early gear acquisition syndrome or gas. It's one of those cameras that gets you in there. It's a gateway camera. But here's what's good. It's great image quality for that price. That 24 megapixel sensor is punching above its weight class and really great in daylight. It's lightweight, it's compact, toss it in a bag, take it hiking, use it as a travel camera, and it doesn't screen pro, but it gets the job done, if you know what I mean. It's got Canon color science, skin tones and the colors. They look beautiful straight out of camera, no heavy editing required. Well, I mean, you can play with it, but it really looks great out of camera. The RF mount, again, it's future-proof. You can start with your cheap lens right there with a kit lens and then upgrade to serious glass as you go along. And as the glass increases, so does your gas. Perfect for beginners, this camera is. Easy menus, clear layout, minimal distractions. Just pick it up and shoot. Bada bing, bada snap. You're there. Okay. Now, here are the cons of it. It's bare bones. It's a bare bone camera. There's no in-body image stabilization, so IBIS, you know, you're really going to have to concentrate on being still. You'll need to rely on a stabilized lens and keep a steady hand. 4K video is cropped, and it doesn't have dual pixel at 4K. So translation, autofocus is 4K is kind of sluggish. What I think is interesting is there's no articulating screen. So vlogging, this is going to be, it's a no-go really. If you want to, you know, vlog with it, it's going to be hard to. And here's the other thing, there's no headphone jack. No headphone jack. If you're doing any kind of audio critical work, you'll want an upgrade, or you won't want to record directly to camera. There's no touchscreen controls for menus, and this is weird for 2025 because the screen is touch capable for focus. You can press where you want the focus to go and it'll go to it, but not navigating menus, I don't understand that. I mean, bottom line, it's stripped down on purpose. That's what they're doing. Because the R100 isn't pretending to be a pro camera, and that's kind of the point of this camera. You'll like this camera if you're new to mirrorless cameras and you want something simple. If you're coming from a smartphone and looking to learn photography, this is a great gateway camera. If you're a casual traveler or a weekend wanderer, and this is a nice system to travel with. It's a budget camera, and yet you can fit it with all these wonderful lenses. But I would skip this camera if you're serious about video and you need 4K autofocus. This, I would stretch a little bit further. If you're a vlogger, you're going to want a flip screen. I would say if you've already have other Canons, you might feel like a downgrade. And someone who needs video stabilization, This doesn't have it. Is the Canon R100 a budget beast? Or is it just too basic? Here's my take. It's not exciting, but it's smart. If you're just getting started and you want to jump into Canon, this little camera has a lot of room to grow without wasting money on gimmicks. And you can get yourself into some good glass while you're still taking photos. And if you do get blurry shots with it, grab our free Sharp Every Time field manual. The link is in the description. It'll clean up your technique so the gear is not going to hold you back. Okay, now, have you tried the Canon R100 already? Do you have thoughts on it? Leave a comment below. We would love to hear your real-world experience from real shooters with this camera. Hit that like button, hit subscribe for more camera talk, and go out and shoot something that makes you excited. Go out there and shoot it. All right, stay luminous, stay bright, and find that perfect light. Take care, y'all.